Also rubber here as well, which means if you're going to drop it, it's going to survive as well. So I don't want to really test how shockproof it is, but that's a good part of it as well. Now the passive radiators on each side is where the music comes out of, just here. You've got the volume up, volume down there too. Now I think it's a very solid feel. It feels like a great quality premium build. And the other thing is as well, we're going to test that sound shortly, but you can see the controls. So you turn on there.